Okay, we're going to pick up some strawberries because Megan wants to have strawberry banana shake. And I don't know if marami pang bunga. I don't know if there's some strawberries. There. I can see some. Here. Hello, strawberry. We will just pick some, okay? Here. Hold this one, please. Thank you. So, mabuti. Merong bungang kaunti. Kasi tapos na yung bungahan eh. Oh. See? There. We will clean it and then we're gonna make a strawberry shake banana for Megan. Here. 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 I knew it. I know. Merong malaki kaya lang nag-ano na siya sa ano. Hi. How are you?
Some lovely berries.
Yeah.
Are they pretty good this year?
Would you like some?
No, it's okay. It's wonderful.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, yeah, there's some, but it touches na-touch niya na yung lupa. So, hindi ko kukunin pag na-touch na ang lupa. Ito, merong isa. Ayoko. Okay, so I think that's enough, Kelsey. There. Here. We have another two.
Hold it down.
I know.
Didn't see it. I didn't see everything.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go home.
Okay. So, nakakuha kami.
We're coming back.
Give it to me. There. Oh, so, we have 5 strawberries. So, come here, darling. So, we have 5 strawberries. Ayan o.
Outside.
Okay, let's go. Let's go inside. Okay, let's go. Let's go, darling. So here, 5 strawberries, ate. And I have 3 strawberries from my paso. So there's 8 of them already. Ayan. So gawa tayo ng strawberry shake. Okay. What? Wait lang. Gagawa tayo ng strawberry banana. Kasi sibulilit. Tapos, meron pa akong 3 dito. Pero ito nakuha ko dun sa backyard. Ay, sa ano? Yung sa paso. Yan. Okay na to para sa strawberry banana. Oh. 1 banana. Ha? What, Chelsea? You want the strawberry banana? Okay. Here, mabuti na lang may isa pa akong bananang natira. Kasi kinain ni Kuya yung isa. Yan o. Iniiyakan ako kanina. Kasi gusto niya ng strawberry banana. Ayun. Tapos na yung bungahan ng strawberries namin eh. Nung last month, sobrang dami. Wait lang. Siya nga pala. Ito yung kagaya ng ano. Ayan, kwarto yan doon. Kwarto. Tapos yan banyo. Ayan. Tingnan niyo to. Dito ko kinuha, oh. Yan ko kinuha. Yan ko kinuha. Ito. Teka, tinatawag ako ng microwave. Okay, so gagawa muna ako ng ano. Against the light tayo. Wait. Sarado ko itong cortina. Yan. Namumulaklak na yung ano ko.